Hello and welcome to the protein story. An adult body needs about 50 grams of protein every day, and that's not to have the bulky muscles but for the regular maintenance of all of your muscles. Let's see how we can achieve those 50 grams from vegetarian sources naturally. Your morning can begin with about 10 grams of protein with a cup of milk, nuts, and a banana. Your breakfast at 10 am can give you another 10 grams. The breakfast items can be sprouts, cheese and toast, low fat cheese. If you like poha or upma, go for a bowl of curds with that, moong dal dosa, or something made from paneer or tofu. Let's see how we can have lots of protein in your lunch. Each chapati or roti can give you about 3 grams of protein. If you are looking for weight loss, go for a jawar roti. Make sure you have curd or dal with your lunch. Curd is not only about protein but it will also give you vitamin B12 and calcium. It's a common belief that the green vegetables are not protein rich. Well, they are not very rich but they can still give you loads of protein. Broccoli, guava, green beans, mushrooms, spinach, green peas, sweet corn, maize and legumes, they will all give you a minimum of 3 grams of protein. That's your lunch with about 15 grams of protein. In the afternoon with your tea, you can club fruits with a handful of nuts and that will give you about 5 grams. If you fancy some paneer or bhel, you can have bhel made from chole, chana, matki or matar and that will give you 5 grams. Yes, your favorite ragda patties as well. Your simple minimalistic dinner can also be protein rich, which can give you about 10 grams. Make sure if you like khichdi for dinner, have more dal and less rice. If your digestion is sensitive, make sure you eat your fiber during the day and alternate between your heavy and light foods to ease that tummy. If you are looking for weight loss, avoid full fat dairy and reduce the amount of chole or rajma that you have. You can include more jawar and bajra in your diet and reduce the quantity of wheat and rice. If you like khichdi, go for a khichdi with more dal and less rice. A lot is said about egg yellow, but they are totally harmless. Boiled eggs are the best. The egg yellow doesn't raise your cholesterol and it is rich in vitamin D3 and B12. The egg white is full of protein. Each egg, a boiled one, can give you about 6 grams of protein. And no, you do not have to stop your junk food. It is alright, you do not have to stop it altogether. All you have to do is to reduce frequency and quantity and apply some smart techniques like have a handful of sprout before your pizza and have a curd before your dessert. That will automatically reduce your amount and say no to that sugar. If you are looking to gain some weight, more protein is your key. You can have natural protein like spirulina or the whey protein to aid your protein intake. And here is your cheat sheet of 50 grams protein in a day, which you can stick on your fridge. I have provided a link in the description below wherein you can download a PDF file to print and stick on your fridge. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more such updates and interesting food facts.